Hi there, welcome to Yoga 101. This is Susie. Do you feel like your hamstrings are about to pop when you're in a fold? Stop. You too can enjoy this pose pain-free. How? Keep watching. Start in mountain pose. Now place your hands over your hip crease where your thigh and hip meets and slowly fold from there. Keep a generous bend in your knees as you fold. Now, assuming you're not very flexible in the hamstrings, you might find it hard to fold all the way down. So try placing your hands over your thighs or over yoga blocks. On the other hand, if you have enough flexibility, then fold all the way down. Remember to bend the knees as much as you need to. You shouldn't feel any pain or extreme tightness, or you might get really sore. So, a common mistake is folding from the waist. You'll look something like this. This won't help stretch your hamstrings and it will hurt your back. To overcome this, bend your knees. Remember, you want to fold from the hip crease. As you fold, you can release the hands. The hands are there just to assist the movement. Now that you're in your fold, lift your sit bones up towards the ceiling, as if something is pulling you up. Great job! Next, notice if you're tensing up your body. If so, try to relax, allowing your head to hang heavy. Notice your neck relax. Again, remember, it's better to have your knees bent rather than having straight legs and a rounded back. Rise up slowly into your mountain pose. Great work. Now, let's look at a variation. This variation is for those who don't know what to do with their arms. It's called ragdoll. Get into your forward fold and grab onto your opposite elbows. Let your head hang between your arms. Another thing you could do is rocking side to side, gently to the right, then to the left. So relaxing. Slowly rise up. That's it for today. Great job! Would you like to practice with me daily and access all of my exclusive classes? Download the BringMeYoga app and start your free trial today. The link is in the description. If you have tight hamstrings, check out this 12-minute class to warm up your lower body. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly yoga classes.